In this video, we're going to show how to remove and replace a foot ring from your chair without having to remove the cylinder from the control mechanism or the base, which oftentimes is one of the most difficult processes. And so the only tool we're going to need is a flathead screwdriver for this. First step is going to be to remove this black plastic cap right here. We're going to take our flathead screwdriver and remove this locking clip, just like this. Make sure we don't lose any of these parts. This flat washer, set that aside. Now there's a washer right here on the inside. You can kind of see it right here. That washer, we want to make sure that we push down with our flathead screwdriver so it doesn't get stuck to the cylinder can when we pull this off, and then we can potentially lose it. So we want to make sure we don't do that. Use your flathead screwdriver, push down, and then lift up. We can set the screwdriver down now, and we want to be really careful when we remove this standpipe from the cylinder, just like that. So what we're left with are a bumper washer, a flat washer, the ball bearing, and then another flat washer. That's what you should see on your chair. Move that to the side. So right here, next, we're just gonna take our old foot ring, unscrew it, inch it off the top, just like that. Make sure that this black insert is still here or is present on your new foot ring. That's what keeps this thing locked into place when you tighten the knob. And so if you need another one of those, let's just say something got lost or damaged, contact us and we can get you a replacement for that as well. We would then take our new foot ring, slide it in right on the top, drop it down into place, tighten it back up. Once we do that, now we just gotta put our cylinder back together. So we take this assembly upside down, again, very carefully. Drop this onto the piston, just like that. We take our flat washer, put it on top, and then our locking clip right here, we clip back in. Once we've done that, you can flip your chair back over and you should be good to go. If you have any questions on this process or what you've seen in this video, contact us at our office and we'd be happy to give you more information. Thanks.